Here's how you can get diamonds in Crimson Desert. Where I am currently on the map is over here right next to the Unicorn Cliff. And around this area, you should be able to find a huge basin, as you can see right in front of my screen. Now right behind me is the Dragonstone Puzzle Chamber. If you want to know how to complete this puzzle, you might want to check it out because we have a video in the channel for it. Now for you to find the diamonds, over there, right in front of me, there's going to be an entrance to a cave. So let me just jump and make sure to glide. Once I've made my way over, just try to approach the cave entrance right here. Right, and do be careful. Just walk around. And right here at the end, you should be able to find these diamond nodes. Let me just equip my lantern so I can see. And then make sure to equip my pickaxe. Let me go over to the inventory. Press space, F2, hover over this, and then leave it. And you should be able to equip it. Now just press Control and left click. And this way, you should be able to get some diamonds right here. Just hold down E. And now you got your very first diamond. Now once you've gotten all of the diamonds, you might be wondering how you're gonna get out of this. Well, if you've managed to unlock the fast travel inside Herndon, right here, the Abyss Nexus, you can just go over here and then set up a teleport so you can just get out of this area. Let me just press space to confirm. And then I should be on my way out. And that's pretty much about it about how to get diamonds in Crimson Desert.